Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying weather outlook for the week and weekend ahead, brought to you exclusively by Flyer in association with Weather School and weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. A quick forecast for you today. I'm not around at the moment, I'm away, but wanted to get you up to date with the very latest forecast because the weather is so good. High pressure is still in control through Monday. We've got this easterly flow again, which is going to be bringing some cloud to more eastern areas of the country, but generally it looks as if it is going to be a flyable day. Base is probably coming in about 3,000 feet, tops are up at about 8,000 feet, so it really does look a very pleasant day again. On to Tuesday, and the high stays in the North Sea on Tuesday. Again, the flow remains from the east. And again, we're just going to have to be watchful of the possibility of some cloud just drifting in from the east on that wind. But generally, a fair day again, plenty of sunshine around and decent flyable conditions. Typical base is 4,000 feet, tops about 7,000 feet. Probably in the east, I think base is nearer around the 3,000 foot mark, and the top's about 6,000 feet again. Wednesday sees the high drift towards the north of Scotland. Once more, though, those winds coming in from the east, probably turning a little bit northeasterly through the course of the day on Wednesday, but still a fair day. Again, those eastern areas perhaps seeing a little more cloud, but western parts seeing far less cloud. Base is 3,000 to 4,000 feet for all, tops at about 8,000 feet. On to Thursday, the high centred over the top of us on Thursday. Again, plenty of sunshine, broken cloud here and there. I think probably it's going to be the northwest of Scotland that sees most of any cloud. Here, base is 2,000 to 3,000 feet, tops about 5,000 feet. But elsewhere, well broken cloud, bases of around 3,000 feet and the tops about 8,000 feet again. Only thing that I'd probably say for Thursday, risk of some morning mist and fog, perhaps a little bit hazy as well through the course of the day. Friday sees the high staying with us. Again, maybe a little bit of mist first thing in the morning. Could be a little bit of low cloud, perhaps affecting East Anglia and the southeast at first. And again, some cloud for northwestern Scotland. But otherwise, it looks fair. That cloud across northwestern Scotland bringing bases of around 1,000 to 2,000 feet. Tops about 5,000 feet. The cloud towards the southeast, base is about 2,000 feet. Tops about 4,000 feet. But for most of us, base is 4,000 feet. Tops at 8,000 feet. And then for Saturday, a little bit of a change. We get a few showers trying to encroach from the south. We get some low cloud and drizzle affecting western Scotland, or northwestern Scotland, I should say. But elsewhere, morning mist and fog slowly clearing away, hazy through the course of the day. Base is typically 3,000 feet, tops about 10,000 feet. And then for Sunday, again, it looks like it's going to be Scotland, perhaps into Northern Ireland, that sees outbreaks of rain here and perhaps non-VFR conditions. Could be the western coast and hills starting to become cloudier as well, but most central and eastern areas stay fair. Again, flyable conditions, but notice the winds starting then to come back in from the west. This could potentially be the start of a change in weather through the following Easter week. So we do just need to be aware of that things may be about to change in the run-up to Easter. Of course, we will keep you up to date throughout here at weatherweb.net. For now, though, whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.